Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam, and today I'm going to do a video on Numera and its NMR token. So if you could hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that will really help us out. So before I get going with the video today, I have to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just my views and opinions and me sharing what I'm doing in the crypto space. So let's get right into the video, Numera. So what is Numera? And full disclosure, I do own Numera. I bought some quite some time ago at the beginning of the last bear market, probably 2022, 2023 time frame. So, and I just bought some and I was just holding on to it. But now I'm looking at possibly buying some more and just getting a little more because I really think Numera, with what it's doing, is going to take off. So what is Numera? Numera is a cryptocurrency token that powers numerai, a blockchain-based hedge fund. It's the only blockchain-based hedge fund in the world, and it's based in the United States. The platform that uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to predict the stock market movements. How does that do that? How does it work? Well, numerai uses a unique incentivized system to encourage data scientists all over the world and developers to create a complex to create and complete with machine learning models. Data scientists submit prediction models and are rewarded based on the accuracy of their models and the amount of Numera tokens that they stake. So I'm going to go ahead and go right here on CoinGecko from here. See that it's ranked 508, and right here is where the websites are. So I clicked that right there and it opened up this window, and you could go to the white paper and read that as well. So from here, it's the hardest data science tournament in the world. So you have all these data scientists all over the world making these signals to predict like how to make the best hedge fund based on all the data signals and points using AI. So it's pretty crazy. But from here, I clicked on signals and it opened up this window, and I've listened to all these videos. They're all really good, but I'm just going to go ahead and play this one real quick. Let me just make sure I have sound and turn that on so you can hear it. But I'm just going to play this video. It's pretty cool video.
There are too many hedge funds, all working in secrecy. The result is an endless duplication of research. This lack of originality leads to correlated and uninspired performance. Outsiders with original trading signals are stifled by high barriers to entry. Numerai is now the first hedge fund to source original stock market signals, built from any data set from anyone in the world with zero barriers. Submit a signal and get immediate feedback on its originality. Stake your submission with the NMR cryptocurrency and get paid for the quality and originality of your signal. The world needs exactly one hedge fund, with every signal in the world.
That's a pretty cool video. I thought it was. Anyway, that was just a quick one. If you go here, really, if you're really interested in looking at buying some Numera and the NMR token, listen to these two videos as well. They're not long, 5-10 minutes. This one's 2 minutes. The other one, I think it was like 5 minutes. But you'll really get some good info. You'll get a more feel of what the company's about, what they're doing. It's a hedge fund that's using blockchain technology and AI to make the best models for their portfolio, their hedge funds. So it's pretty crazy. So we can see here, we'll go back to crypto CoinGecko. You can see right now it's $15.57. There's only 11 million tokens. And right now, 7.6 million are in circulation. So roughly a little over 70% are in circulation right now. With the fully diluted market cap would be 166 million. Market cap right now with what's in circulation is 118 million. All-time high is $93.15. So from where we're at now, I really think we should be able to get back to the 9 all-time high. So that would be 93.15, and we'll divide that by its current price of 15.57. I mean, that's a 6x right now. I really think Numera has a 6x in it all day long. I really think this is going to 10x, maybe 20x. Who knows? I mean, a 10x would put a market cap of 1.2, we'll just call it 1.2 billion. A 20x would be, just call it 2.5 billion. I think once this really gets a hold and people are seeing what the technology with AI and blockchain can do for mutual fund, hedge fund companies and whatnot, this is going to skyrocket. I think this could really take off. So I think minimum it's going to be a 6x, definitely get to its all-time high. So I really think more so probably at least a 10 to a 20x, somewhere in there. That's where I think Numera is going to go. And here's the chart. So we'll finish with this. So here's the chart on Numera. I got the monthly on, long term. This is all its data. So you can see here, we're finally making some green. So on the monthly, we still got to get above the 20-day moving average. We've just touched the 50, came back down. So we got a little bit of work to do. Really, we got to get up over $28 and then probably around $40. And once we get past that, it could be quick sailing to its all-time high. There's really not a lot more resistance in there after like $45. So, but I'm going to zoom in. We'll go to the weekly. We can see the weekly still downtrend. So the whole market's in a downtrend, as we know. But this is where it's holding on to this on the daily chart. It's $15 is really holding as strong support, which is very good. So what we need is once the market turns around, which I think will over the next week or so, I really think by January 20th, this could easily be back up to like the $22 to $26 range anyway. That would be my guess. Once this breaks out, it's going to break out. It's probably going to at least go to $25. So just waiting for that. I'm looking, since I'm not looking to trade this, I'm looking to buy it, and I'm going to hold until at least the all-time high. So, which would be my 6x, and then I'd probably sell some of my portfolio, but some of my holdings. But everybody's different. This is where you need to make your own plan. So I think looking at this chart, really, for me, I'm going to probably put a price in right at like just under $15. I think we're going to come down to that level. So I'm probably going to put a buy order in to get some there. I might even stagger it. I might put one at like, I think I'm just going to go right around $15. It will be my buy order. Knowing me, I'll probably go like $15, $15.08. I just like to have an 8 in it, or $14.98, something like that. So, but you can figure out your own price. That's where I would go, roughly in there. And from there, I mean, this was a quick down. So hopefully it'll break up. It'll go back up to here. Once it turns around, it's going to go back up pretty quickly. So I'm just hoping that this $15 support line will hold. I think it will wick down and touch it another time. So that's what I'm doing. That's where I think it's going to go. I think this area where it is right now is a really good price. You can see over the last, from summertime, really, it's been riding that $15. Below it, go above a little bit, below it a little bit, above a little bit. So I really think that $15 price is a really good price. So anyway, Numera, I think it's a sleeping giant in the AI sector. I really do. I believe in it. And like I said, go check out those other videos. They're really good, informative, and then make your own decision what you're going to do. But anyway, I hope you really liked the video. If you could, hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment. All of that will really help us out. Thanks, and have a great day.